everyone, and welcome back to Remote Only Hub. In this week's video, we're talking about 4 fully remote jobs that are part-time and hiring now. And the first role I have for you today is through TJ Maxx, and they sell everything from clothes to accessories, gifts, and once you've scrolled down to the bottom of the page, you can hit their careers section. From here, you'll hit corporate and type in remote. And the role we're looking at today is the part-time customer service representative. The pay for this role will be about $15 to $19 per hour, and you'll be handling customer inquiries via phone and email, resolving standard customer complaints, documenting information into a call tracking system, and ensuring effective communication. In addition, you'll monitor their Facebook and Twitter to respond to customer comments and questions, and to encourage a high level of engagement and provide additional assistance is needed. You'll need 1 to 3 years of retail customer service or call center experience and proven conflict management skills, but other than that, they're not requiring a lot here, just that you have to have a stable internet connection that cannot be satellite. The next company I have for you is through Starry, and they are an internet provider, and they are fairly location specific as far as what states they offer internet to. However, for the job itself, it does have a fairly large list of states, so we'll take a look at that in a minute. So as you can see here under their FAQ section, where is Starry internet available? Only in Boston, Denver, LA, New York, and Washington, D.C. However, as far as the states for the position go, there's a much larger list, so you can pause and read those to make sure your state is listed, but we'll get on to the description. Again, this is a part-time role for Starry, where you'll be providing customer support to Starry customers. The shift will be 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the Eastern Standard Time Zone, and weekend availability is required. You'll respond to customer phone calls, emails, and live chats related to Starry internet sign-up, features, and advanced network settings, and you'll support customers with account-related questions in regards to enrollment, promo codes, plan changes, billing, credit, and more. And this particular role can be somewhat technical in nature, so you will have to have some technical support experience to be successful. And while it does appear that under the who we're looking for, they're not requiring very much, if you scroll down a little into this role, it will get a little more specific about what exactly they're looking for. So someone with 1+ years of help desk or troubleshooting customer service experience, working with hardware, complex technical services, or for a software as a service or SaaS company. In addition to that, they're looking for 1+ years of call center or contact center experience dealing with moderate to high call volume. And for their nice to haves, if you've worked for an internet service provider before, are familiar with Zendesk, and have previous remote work experience, that will make you stand out as a candidate, but those are not required. And finally, the pay for this role is $19 per hour. The next company I have for you guys today is through Ride Store. However, they do also have 2 other brands, Dope and Montec as well. And this is just your average like snowboarding, accessories, and gear store. So you would be providing support to their customers in regards to their gear purchases. And I do want to mention this is a seasonal role, so it's part-time, but it is also seasonal as well. So once you scroll down to the bottom of the page here, you can hit their work with us and job opening. So they have many different roles here, but the one we're looking at is English. And as a customer support representative, you will communicate with their customers via live chat, messenger, email, and Instagram DMs. Your shift will be based around their customers' activity on the site and considers the team's availabilities as much as possible. They describe themselves as a family-owned, innovative snowwear e-commerce company behind the 2 brands Dope Snow and Montec Wear. They're looking for someone that aligns with their core beliefs and adds their own character and experience to the team. You'll need to be able to commit to at least 30 hours per week, and the season will be from late October to the end of March. You can pause and read more about the role here. but we'll keep moving. And as you can see, they do have state restrictions. So for USA, they only hire in those following states. And while the pay is not listed, I did pull it up through Glassdoor, and for the seasonal customer experience representative, you're looking at $42,000 to $59,000 per year, which equates to $20 to $28 per hour. Alright, and the next company I have for you guys today is through Underdog Fantasy, and no, they're not some weird website. They are a sports betting or sports gaming platform. And so really it's like fantasy football, fantasy baseball, so nothing weird. And the job I have for you guys is a part-time customer support associate. But I did want to show you some of their perks or benefits. So they offer unlimited PTO, they're a remote first workplace, you get a $500 home office stipend, they do a 401k match amongst other benefits as well. And then we'll move on to our role. So it's the customer support associate part-time. The pay for this role will be $18 to $25 per hour, and as a member of their support team, you will be the first point of contact for their users and will serve as an extension of their voices to ensure they feel heard and understood. And you'll provide customer support via email addressing inquiries related to account management and financial transactions, as well as provide technical assistance to both web and mobile app users. For this role, you'll need to have flexible weekday and weekend availability and be able to commit 25 hours per week. They do prefer if you have experience with Zendesk or a different ticketing system and knowledge in fantasy sports and or sports betting. And of course, 1 to 2 years of customer support or related experience is preferred as well. And then I do think this is hilarious that they say that they prefer if you have a degree, but there you go. It's not required. They just prefer it. And again, the pay is between $18 and $25 per hour. Alright, and the last role I have for you guys is through Pinger, and this is actually a role that I have shared previously, but it's still available, and it is a part-time role. So they are the original free calling and texting app. They do offer solutions for businesses as far as mass texting goes, promotional texting, that kind of thing. So we'll head straight up to their careers tab, and they do have some pretty nice benefits, so you can pause and take a look at those. But for now, we'll click on View Open Jobs, and the role is for the Customer Support Advocate part-time. The pay for this role is $19 an hour, and you'll be responsible for responding to users' needs, including email, chat, and SMS via Zendesk. And you'll assist these customers to better use Pinger's services and products. You'll need basic knowledge of mobile operation software, particularly iOS and Android, and 1 to 3 years of customer service experience. And again, they do also have a full-time of this role as well. But that's all I have for you guys today, so please let me know down in the comments below if you liked this video or what kind of jobs you'd like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because I do post videos just like this every week, and if you're looking for a remote, entry-level, or mid-range job, you won't want to miss it.